Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's another night with the Four-Decade Duo with me, your friend June, with my partner John Mark. And we're here to give you songs of love and life. Yan, kaya ngayon, as our opening piece, we would like to give you a song from the late, the legend ng mga novelty songs, Sir Yoyoy Villame. Okay, para po sa inyong lahat ng mga Pilipino. Ang hindi po nakakalam ng awiting ito, hindi po siya Pilipino. So, para magkaroon po tayo ng konting ng konting twist sa ating pag-comment, wag kayo mag-comment tungkol sa amin, kundi ang i-comment po ninyo doon sa baba nitong video na to is kung saan po kayo galing na probinsya at kung saan kayong bansa ngayon. So maliwanag po, ulitin ko. Ang ilalagay po ninyo sa comment, kung saan kayong probinsya noon at kung nasaan bansa kayo ngayon. So that's it. So ito po ang awitin para sa ating lahat ng mga Pilipino. Philippines has a great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city that is known from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Zapote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. And we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon. Then down to Visayan shore, famous with sugar, coconut and corn. Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambahaw, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao, Sol Oriental, del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Solo, Tawi-Tawi. Philippines has a great history. Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country. Yan ang matandang Yoyoy. And this time, isa naman pong batang Yoyoy ang aming ipaparinig sa inyo. Ladies and gentlemen, Yoyoy Part 2.
March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan.
Diba?
They were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw a small Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand the speaking they had done, because Castilla at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, public life. When Magellan visited Mactan, to Christianize them everyone. But Lapu-Lapu it came on the shore and bribed Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to camouflage. Mactan Island they could not grab, with Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began at dawn. All Muslim spears with sustained cannons. When Magellan was hit on his neck, he stumbled down and cried and cried. Mother, mother, I am sick. Call a doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Still my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry.
That's the end of Magellan in the island of Mactan long time ago, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, so yan na po ang hudyat para mag-comment po kayo kung saan kayong province galing at kung saang bansa kayo naroon ngayon. So, start na po ang ating game. Good night.